Welcome back to another episode of History in Your Own Backyard. I'm your host, Susie Selleck, here today in Dearborn County, Indiana, at the Railroad Bridge Abutment at Burtzelbach. Stay tuned. I'm going to tell you all about it. Along Bonnell Road at the foot of Burtzelbach Road are a few remnants of the first of possibly 3 rail alignments that came through the area. Sitting on private property is a stone abutment probably dating back to the 1860s from a small trestle that crossed this section of the valley. The stone abutment on the other end of the trestle has never been found, and it's thought to have been used for another section of the railroad when it was realigned. Just 100 yards down from the abutment sits the foundation where 2 water tanks once stood, which were used to replenish the water supply on the steam engines as they made their climb up the hill to Sunman, Indiana's train station. Watching another episode of History in Your Own Backyard. I'm your host, Susie Selleck, here today in Dearborn County, Indiana. We hope you enjoyed your time with us and learned a little something. Remember, travel slowly and stop often. Bye for now.